Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6th. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vanshika Bhatia, your maths teacher from Little Angels High School, Gwalior. Today I am going to start a new chapter number 16, Perimeter and Area. Today's topic is perimeter.
Chapter number 16, Perimeter and Area. Perimeter. Perimeter of a closed figure is the total length of its boundary. As shown in the figure, boundary of the figure is known as the perimeter of this figure. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to the sum of the lengths of all the sides of any closed figure. Uses of perimeter in real life. Fencing a garden or a plot, constructing a house, for making boundary of a swimming pool. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the lengths of its sides. If its sides are AB, BC and CA, so we add them AB plus BC plus CA. And if AB is equal to A, BC is equal to B, CA is equal to C, substituting the values of AB, BC and CA, we get A plus B plus C. That is equal to the perimeter of a triangle. For example, find the length of the string used to make the triangle ABC as shown in figure. Solution. Length of the string required to make a triangle is equal to perimeter of triangle ABC. And the perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to sum of the length of its sides. Sides of triangle are AB, BC, CA. So we add AB, BC and CA. Means AB plus BC plus CA. AB is equal to 4 centimeter. BC is equal to 6 centimeters. AC is equal to 8 centimeters. Adding all them, we get 18 centimeters. So, the length of the string required to make the triangle is equal to 18 centimeters. Now, perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to sum of lengths of each sides. Its sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. As we know that square is a four-sided figure and its all sides are equal. So S plus S plus S is S. S is written 4 times here, therefore 4S. S is side of a square. Therefore the formula for perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. For example, find the perimeter of a square if its side is 24 centimeters. Solution. In the question, side of a square is given, that is 24 centimeters. Now, to find the perimeter of a square, we will use the formula, that is 4 into side, and side is given here 24 centimeters. Substituting the value of side, we get 4 into 24. That is equal to 96 centimeters. We use centimeter here because side is in centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to sum of length of all its sides because perimeter is also a closed figure. Therefore, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB is length of a rectangle, BC is breadth of a rectangle, again CD is length and DA is breadth. So L plus B plus L plus B. L is written twice here. Therefore 2L plus 2B. By taking 2 common, we get 2 bracket L plus B. Means the perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice into the length plus breadth. That is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Now, example. Find the perimeter of a rectangular plot whose length is 12 meters and breadth is 930 centimeters. Solution. Length is equal to 12 meters, breadth is equal to 930 centimeters. As we know that to find the perimeter, dimension should be same. But in this question, length is in meters and breadth is in centimeters. First of all, we have to convert them in same unit. It's our choice. Either we change meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. Here, in this question, I am changing breadth 930 centimeters into meters. As we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So, 930 is divided by 100, that is equal to 9.3 meter. Now, breadth is equal to 9.3 meters. Here, length and breadth both are in the same unit, meters. So, continue with the question. Perimeter of the rectangular plot is equal to 2 into L plus B. We will substitute the value of length and breadth in the formula. We get 2 into 12 plus 9.3 is equal to 2 into 21.3. That is equal to 42.6. We will write unit here, meters, because we have converted them in meters. Both the dimension are in meters. So the answer should be in meters. Now, summary. Perimeter is the sum of length of each side. Unit of each dimension should be same. If unit is different, then first of all we have to convert them in same unit. Thank you.